Hi, this is Josh from Apt. CES 2016 is in full swing. We're hanging out at Drone City, and we are at the Stampede booth with Rob. Stampede, you're a distributor. You offer not just a whole bunch of great drone brands, but you have cool services, and you really tie it all together. Yuneec is one of the brands here. Let's talk about Yuneec a little bit. What kind of options does Yuneec offer?
Definitely. So Yuneec starts in the consumer space with their first drone being here, the Typhoon G. The Typhoon G allows you to attach your own GoPro camera. It does have a 3-axis brushless gimbal, and really that's their pull with Yuneec. Yuneec's going to be the closest competitor right now to the leading drone manufacturer DJI, due to the fact that they compete in price point but give you more options. So with all your Yuneec the Typhoon drones, you're also getting the handheld gimbal attached with it. So you could take your gimbal right off the drone and attach it to a handheld device. So now instead of just being up in the air, you can film your best friend riding his bike out in the backyard. And the next thing down would be the controller. So your controller with the Yuneec side has an integrated screen to it. So you don't have to use your iPad or your iPhone or your Android. They have everything built into one controller. They're very easy to use, out-of-the-box solution. You don't have to bring anything else to it.
That's consistent with all their products?
That's consistent with all of their product on the consumer side.
Okay.
Once we get to the commercial side, we'll touch on that a little bit more.
The change, I think.
Yeah, exactly. It does change just a little bit. So after you get out of the your G, which you attach your GoPro to, you get into the Typhoon Q500 Plus. The difference with this one is now they take that 3-axis gimbal and they attach a 1080p camera. So you have your full 360-degree view. 1080p camera allows, now you don't have to buy an additional GoPro.
Right.
And at the same time, the price point on this doesn't get too much more than your G, so you're actually getting what, in my opinion, better value out of your drone as they're incorporating that camera. After that, some of the people that want to get into some low-end cinematography or have fun in the backyard, you get to 4K. 4K, the newest thing on the market, everybody loves it, they want to get into it. Here at CES, we see 10K out there now, but the 4K camera allows you to get a little bit more, better quality video, and at the same time, they keep with that 3-axis gimbal that allows you to have steady quality video.
Got it. And as I kind of graduate from these Typhoon models with these different cameras, is there any difference in their flight abilities or any other technologies, or is the user going to have really the same experience operating it?
The user it is the exact same bird. So the guts and the flight control and the accessories that come with it are exactly the same in all three of these models.
Got it.
The difference is going to be in the camera, their camera capabilities, and obviously quality of video.
All right, and then we move into a consumer space from here, or a commercial space from here?
Yes, so after this we get into the commercial space. Right now Yuneec has one primary drone that is in their commercial space. It is the Tornado H920. We'll get you that. But with that comes into your handheld options. So with Yuneec, when we talked about on the consumer side, they give you a bunch of options, and that they continue that in the commercial space by giving you these handheld steady cams.
Okay.
Take your camera right off the drone, attach it to a steady cam, and now you're getting commercial video in your hand and also in the sky. You don't have to buy 2 cameras. You buy 1 camera, attach it to your drone or the steady cam. They integrate everything together. This first one you're looking at allows you to do that. The second one is going to allow you to use any DSLR, Panasonic, Canon, any different type of camera in one unit. They do have different gimbals, which is the part that the
cool.
camera actually sits into. But at the same time, all the capabilities are the same.
Now, I noticed, like, we got that cool handheld one for the consumer.
Yes.
And that's going to allow me to take the gimbal out and snap it right in. Same concept here, but on a larger scale?
Same concept, just on a larger scale.
Are we adding controls I see here that I don't get over there?
Yes. So you're gonna add controls, and they are customizable for zoom, pan, tilt.
All right, so I could really have my grip where it needs to be to keep things stable as I'm doing my recording.
Most definitely.
All right, and there's a new drone also announced this year from Yuneec?
Yes, Yuneec here at CES just announced their brand new Typhoon, which is going to be the step between these two. So the Typhoon G, the Q500, and the 4K are going to be very low end, not low end, but mid-grade consumer.
Got it.
Where now they take their Typhoon H, they give you retractable landing gear, so you have unobstructed 360-degree view.
Nice.
They make it a little bit better of a payload capacity, and now they're customizing their gimbal, so you can attach different cameras to that.
Am I recording some virtual worlds with that kind of a camera?
If you want to, you definitely can. One other cool product that Yuneec does offer that incorporates all of their drones is the Wizard. The Wizard is a point and shoot remote. So now I'm out in the field having some fun playing soccer. I want to film my friends above, but I don't want to carry this big controller around. I actually want to be involved. They have a remote that you can point to in the sky, and the drone flies there. But now I want it over here. I'm going to point it over there. It's going to fly over there completely autonomously. So it's still within line of sight. It's still legal. However, you don't actually have to carry your controller around.
So I just like point over that direction, press a button to activate it or something?
Yeah, so it's all preset, the distance, where it flies to, but you press a button on the remote, and it flies right to it.
The Wizard.
The Wizard.
All right, sounds awesome.
Yeah.
And is the new drone and is it the Wizard you said was new?
Yes.
Are those going to be soon available through your distribution system?
Yes, so they will be available right with Stampede. We're looking toward middle to end of 2016.
All right.
As it is just announced and just released here.
Very cool.
in early 2016.
Awesome. Thanks for the good overview of Yuneec brand.
Thank you very much.
All right, more coverage here at CES 2016. And by chance, if you see a little hologram pop up of me dancing, email marketing@app.com. Title of the video, your chance to win $100 just got closer.